There is no legitimate or official way to remove or bypass Temu's minimum spend limit, also called minimum order value or free shipping threshold. Temu sets this limit deliberately as part of its business model to increase average order value and offset very low product prices plus heavy shipping subsidies. What actually happens? The minimum spend requirement, usually $10 to $30 depending on region, promotion, and cart contents, is enforced at checkout. It cannot be disabled in account settings, app preferences, or by contacting support. Every claimed method to remove it is either a temporary glitch or exploit that Temu quickly patches. Realistic options: add cheap filler items, for example, $1-3 accessories, stickers, phone grips, to reach the threshold. Wait for site-wide free shipping promotions, very frequent on Temu. Shop during flash sales or use new user coupons that sometimes lower or remove the minimum. Combine multiple small orders only if shipping is free below a certain amount, rare.